Hey everyone, welcome to the Blaze Imports YouTube channel. My name is Jaime, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to storage charge an RC Lipo battery. And don't worry, if you don't actually have this feature on your charger, I'll teach you later on this video how to go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and connect the power cable first. There, our charger's powered on now. We're going to go ahead and connect our balance port right here on the side. Make sure it's nice and seated. And our main lead we're going to connect right here on the side. Red goes with red, black goes with black. Alright, so this battery that we have for the example is a 3S. We're going to go ahead and change the settings. On the top you can see it says Lipo balance charge. We're going to go ahead and change that out now. We're going to hit the plus symbol, and it says now Lipo storage, and it says 3S, so we do have that settings right, and then 5,000 mAh. You would input the settings the same way as you would do to charge it. It's going to be the same for storage. Okay, so for this battery, we're going to go ahead and connect our main lead here, and we're going to connect our balance lead. So as you can see here, we already set our settings, so we're ready to go. It is on Lipo storage 3S 5,000 mAh, just as the battery is. We're using the default settings for the storage mode. We're going to go ahead and hold the button down, and it's already starting to charge, and it's going to put it into storage mode. Normally storage mode, as we talked about before, if you actually hit the plus symbol while it's charging or on the storage charging, you can actually see each individual cell. Here you can see it's 3.8, which around 3.8 is an average for storage charge. So this battery is around storage. It shouldn't take that long to store. Of course, if your battery is fully charged, we always recommend that you run it in the RC car or plane, drone, whatever RC vehicle that you have, and then drain the battery until you get to Lipo cutoff. If you do go to that level, you can always put it on here. It'll be a lot quicker to storage charge, as if you had it fully charged, it can take 8 hours, 10 hours, all depending on the capacity. All right, so if at any point you want to stop the storage charging, you can actually hit the stop button while it's in the main menu, and that'll stop the storage charge. Well, with charging or discharging or storage charging, we always recommend having a Lipo bag, a flame retardant bag basically. That way you can keep yourself safe while charging in your home or your car, and if it ever caught fire, it would contain the fire within the bag itself and protect your vehicle or your home. So there you have it. Pretty easy to use a charger that has a storage feature. Alright, so this charger does not have the storage feature. We are going to go ahead and use a Lipo tester in order for us to get the voltage of each cell. Of course, you can use any brand, Hobbywing, Spectrum. Of course, our favorite here though, it is the Spectrum Smart XPC 100. If you do want to know more about this, you can actually go to our channel and find the video on this as well. All right, so let's go ahead and connect this one up and get started. All right, so this charger does not have the storage feature. We're going to go ahead and connect it. We're going to take off our warning label here, connect our power outlet. We're going to connect our main lead, red with red, black with black. We're going to connect our main lead to the battery. And the balance port is the part we're going to be working with back and forth. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and check our voltage on the battery, see where we're at. As you can see, 3.8 on every cell, so we are around storage charge already. But for the example, we're going to go ahead and connect it, and we're going to charge it as regular. This charger, I believe, does start charging on its own. So we connect both sides, it's going to start blinking and indicating that it's already charging. Here we would give it about maybe 3 or 5 minutes, depending on how much charge we actually need. And we would check it every so often as well to make sure that the rates are within where we want it to be. So here the goal is to try to get to 3.8 volts. So for this example, as we said, this battery is already at 3.8 volts. So we put a little bit of charge into it. We would stop the charging by holding the button down. It's going to take us back to the menu, disconnect our balance lead, and we're going to go ahead and connect our balance lead here and see where our voltage is. So at this point, we would go ahead and say this battery is already at storage, as it's at 39%. and it is at 3.8 volts each cell. So in this case, if your battery is fully charged, we would recommend running it on your RC vehicle, drone, plane, and drain it until you get to the LiPo cutoff. That way you can put it in storage using this method, because of course if it is fully charged, this charger does not have the storage feature and it does not have a discharge feature. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to store your RC LiPo batteries. If you did find this video useful in any way, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. See you soon.